Attention audience, the rest of this evening's updates will be based on your subscriber request. Comment down below in this video for any and every crypto you want me to cover this evening. That's once again, any crypto, comment down below. Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, and this is another breaking news with Coinbase. And you can see this is out of Forbes, right? Hans Gruber read it in Forbes. So you know it has to be true.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to the Nakatomi Corporation's legacy of greed around the globe, they are about to be taught a lesson in the real use of power. You will be witnesses.
Use my links down below, my Bitget partner /Vincenzo link. Join to the new trading competition. Sign up with my link. I made a video a couple days ago on how to sign up for the competition. I'll show you again here a little bit later on today. But if you read it in Forbes, like Hans Gruber, also become members of Jabroni Killers. Hans Gruber is an official member of Jabroni Killer. And if you know who Hans Gruber is, comment down below and maybe you'll win Commenter of the Week, right? Crisis on the horizon. Leak reveals major Coinbase red flag amid wild Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto price swings, right? Let's see what they got to say. The Bitcoin price yesterday touched 23,000. Old Vincenzo predicted that it could come up to 26,000, but he had a $22,600 target when the price of Bitcoin was at 19,600, and it hit that yesterday. Now, after JP Morgan last week revealed 160 billion Bitcoin price bombshell leaked, Coinbase email shows the crypto exchange is temporarily shutting down its U.S. affiliate marketing program, the latest blow to the troubled crypto industry and branded major red flag by one investor, right? This is what we went over the other day. The Coinbase regrets to inform the affiliate program was withdrawn July the 19th of 2022. This has not been an easy decision, nor was it made lightly. Crypto marketing conditions and the outlook for the remainder of 2020, Coinbase is unable to continue supporting incentivizing traffic to its platform because of the money they are losing. Coinbase decision coming amid a stock price slump that wiped away 80% of the company's value. That's right, 80% or $2 trillion market cap crash in Coinbase, right? In recent weeks, crypto lender Celsius, Voyager Digital, and hedge fund Three Arrows Capital have been plagued into bankruptcy, and Three Arrows Capital owners and creators are now missing in action as they've lost billions of investors' money, retail and institutional, and they have filed Chapter 11 in the United States, and they're liquidating their assets, but they can't because they can't find the owners because they're on the run. We have a man on the run, right? That's what the crypto hedge fund people are doing right now at Three Arrows Capital. So look at the Coinbase, or this is the Bitcoin price, right? Oh, Jesus. Coinbase controversial chief executive Brian Armstrong announced the exchange was laying off. Look at this. Here's some more breaking news. Laying off 20% of its staff, warning the company has grown too quickly during the last year's bull run, right? Which means they've overspent, overdone what they should be doing. They probably have bad investment somewhere, and the stock market's collapsing on them. It's imploding on themselves. So not only are they cutting off affiliate programs, they're trimming their workforce by 20%. So that's not good. Look, you can see their affiliate program launched in 2019, and a mere 2.25 years later, with the company slashing prices, or the company stock down 80%, lost a couple $1 billion. They're having major financial problems, and that is something to indeed pay attention to in the cryptocurrency market, right? Because that's a major thing. If Coinbase has major financial problems, more so than they're letting on, and you can see the Bitcoin price. What I'd be looking at right now is what we were talking about earlier today, is a retest of this 22,280, this upper resistance that it's trying to break out of now, and it's either A, like we talked about earlier, going to back test this and hold and kick out and confirm a breakout, or it's going to come back down, shoot right below it and fail to hold that, and then confirm a fake out and break back down towards this 19,838 major underneath support, the old 17 all-time high. Because you can see right here, this is a much more forceful breakout, but we had one of these here, and they all failed to hold the retest. Yes, this one's a little bit more forceful. It had a little more consolidation before a push up, but often you see this a lot, where they come up like that with a big bullish move, big forceful move, and then they just come right back down, and they got to retest again and then maybe repeat itself, right? So that's what we're watching out for in Bitcoin. The retest is what I'm watching. We're going to zoom on in here and put a Vincenzo, another watch. The last two watches were broken on the bottom side, but we got a Vincenzo watch as we come back to retest this underneath support down here at the $22,269, and it has to hold that to confirm a bullish breakout. If it fails to hold that, it's going to confirm a fake out, right? So that's what we're watching out, fake out or breakout. What is it? Ethereum's the same thing. It's been choppy up and down from that near touch up here at the $1,600 mark that we've been talking about as a target for quite some time. And now Ethereum, like we were talking about earlier in here, if it didn't come up for one of these and then come down for a retest, it might just have to trade down. And just like Bitcoin, it's got to come back and retest this major underneath support at $1,369. And there's another Vincenzo watch, because you're going to either come down here, hold it, and then make another charge, a power move up towards this area to try to break it and actually touch it this time, which is over there, right? Or you're going to fail to hold this 1369, and you're going to trade down more towards the underneath support or the 200-day moving average. But if you come to the 200-day moving average, it's probably going to be up in here by tomorrow, right, in the 2-hour time frame, because this is going to keep sneaking up. And that's what I think might be happening here. Is the 200 sneaks up there, the price comes back down to retest it, and that's your break or make point where it gets bullish or bearish. Do you hold it? You can make a power move, or if you fail it, you're coming back down to the green ring. So that's what we're watching out in Ethereum. And then you can see XRP. It did, look at that, in the last little bit from when we were talking, XRP did come up and hit this 37 cents again, and we've been talking about that for several days. And now what you got to watch, does it do what it did back here and fail to hold the moving averages and trade all the way back down? So that's going to be the critical area, these moving averages, the 50, the 100, and the 200. As it comes and consolidates and retests, does it hold it? And then it can make a power move over finally, because we got rejected right here after we fall through here, because this is a major supply zone. But we've been talking about that for quite some time. And again, just like back here, if you can break above this critical selling area where there was a big supply zone on a big consolidation here before you had the great dump back here in June of 2022, if you can break back above that, you have a free run to get all the way up here to 50 cents, right? Because if you can fight these sellers off, there's the heavy sell pressure after you fight all these sellers that are sitting here that accumulated here for the first time. They're quick to sell over here. They're like quick draw McGraw, right? They're quick to sell, and if you can fight over that and get the buyers to keep coming in and force some sellers out, you could make a power move to 50 cents. Am I forecasting that? No. But is it possible? Yeah, absolutely, it's possible. So that's what we're watching out for. This is a critical 37-cent resistance. And then to hold it to remain bullish, you just got to hold these moving averages here. But if you fail to hold that, you're likely to come back down to retest that 28 cents. Lots of activity going on, lots of coins moving. Comment down below and let me know what kind of analysis you want this evening. I'm going to be making videos all night, so you, the audience, yes, you, the audience, have to let me know what you want me to talk about the remainder of the night. It's the coins of your choosing. Peace and love. Peace and love.